I'll turn you around here. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Biting Doors channel. So, yeah, I was doing some quality control. I can't remember where I stopped and where I started with these little things. My little mirror mod still. Uh, Mirror stabilizing kits that you can buy with Sling Mod for $26, but I made them for $50. No, it didn't cost me that much. But anyway, run that intro. I'm just blabbing. Yeah. We put them in the paint booth. So what's the...
Welcome to Back and Doors channel. What's up, 603 Rods?
I don't know why the thing started buzzing like that. It was 603 Rides. Go check them out. Over there? Or over here? I don't know. Anyway, over my head. Over my head. It's all over my head. Yep. See my quality control? I'm just still talking about that. A little bit more grinding and I have another kit done. Yeah, what we working on? This right here. Tri-lights. And if you guessed it, it's Sling Mod. You probably read the title. You hope you read the title. Well, we dicking around with it today. Here's the kit you get, which this should be as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You got your kit, and they didn't give me no module later. What they said they were supposed to give you, according to their paperwork. You got that. You got the wire. You got the extension cord. I don't know why you need that much long cord. The light's already long enough. Anyway, I guess they thought you might need it. That's what we need right there. And since I already used the other kit, the kit that you can put multiple kits on it, that's all I need. So let's get over here. I'll show you what we do. It's the lights that goes around the bottom of the floorboard lights. Yep. Come with me. He's noticed how my shop's real lit up. I'm not like in some dicking around in the garage episode you might be watching on somebody else's channel, Road God Andy's. Yeah, I told him he needs some lights. See, you can see a lot. You won't see his shadow. Yeah, so if you think you get a lot, you do get a lot. You get a lot, you get a lot, I get a lot, and we all go down to the fishing pole. No, you get a line and I get a line. We all go down to the crawdad hole. Doo-dah. We get a pole and I get a line, and we all go down to the crawdad hole. Doo-dah. Yep. So this just goes all the way from there, all the way around, and back around to the back side. They say you need to take the top piece off. But if you notice, I already got the top piece off. So I think I can do it without taking this off, which I should be able to. So first step is to clean it. And they give you some alcohol pep pads. Do we need to use them first? Or no, I think the other ones are primer, adhesive primer. So you open your Clorox, your alcohol pad. That's your alcohol pad. And you want to go around the edges and clean it up. Getting off all the decontamination in it. All the way around. All the way. Yep. You want it to stick. Yeah. This is going to be fun. Fun till the daddy takes the debug away. Yep. And you let that dry. Already got dirt and stuff on it. Let me clean that. Undoubtedly I wasn't recording, but I done unplugged it. But the lights work, and I was going to show you this. See, this is Sling Mod's quality. Yeah, see how it's blinking? They won't replace it. Other side's doing the same thing. And then when you turn your blinker on, you know, you get that little skipping and all. This one works good, but this one, and this is not the fender that was damaged. Which the other fender wasn't damaged. They replaced it anyway. But these are the standard fenders, and these are one of them ones that got hit or whatever. And really, you know, wasn't any damage, but they replaced them new. So, yeah, you go back and watch that video. Anyway. All right, now back to what I was doing. All right, now, I don't know why I got up, because now I got to get back down there. Need to apply this before you start gluing. This is a activation pad primer, adhesive primer. So we're going to prime it. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Ooh. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's loud. Ooh, my eyes are burning now. Yeah, buddy, let's apply this and get it adhesive primered all the way around. All the way around. All the way around. Alright. Done. So, you want to start from the front. That's where the plug is, and you, that is longer extension, you will need them. Yep. More zip tying. So, I don't know if this works, but they say to do that. Rub them. And just start a little piece at a time. And, yeah, you want the full detailed instructions, you can go over to slingmod.com. They got their own YouTube channel. I'll link them. I want them to see how me bad talking them. Yep. Guess as long as you're still buying stuff from them, they don't care. Right?
You still buying stuff from us? Do a little piece at a time. Work it around. Don't want to pull on it. Yep, don't want to pull on it. Am I still recording? Still recording. Good deal. Let's get around. Oh, that went around this way. Let's go around this way. Yep, Pull. Oh, my knee. I need knee pads. I got some. Why aren't you wearing them? I don't know. I don't want to feel like an old man with knee pads. Yep, Look at me. Y'all ain't even looking at me. I'm a professional YouTuber. Yep. Give it a press while you go. Just don't tug on it. Yep. Kind of get lined up with the bottom. Working a small amount at a time. That turn right there is going to get us. Trying to make it look pretty. See how long it takes you to notice these. And you just work it around these edges. Yep. Ouch. Yep. Well, you're in the way. Alright, I'm going to pull the rest of you off, because then I don't have to fool with you. Easy does it. There you go. All the way to the end. And up under. And then on the side. Yep. That's not going to be a good place to stick it in. Yep. Probably hang on something, because there ain't nothing to stick it to right there. I'll fix it. Alright, let's go back around. Give it one last push. Make sure it's sticking all the way adhesive. Yep. All good. All good. Now I gotta go under here, under there. Go. Alright, well that's how
You do it. I'm gonna do the other side, and we'll be back with you. We'll be back. Yeah, I gotta put this cord in, run it along the frame, and then plug it in. I mean, it's just male, you know, it's simple math. Male, female. Click, click. That's how babies are formed. Birds and the bees. So I'm going to do that and then zip tie these all up and do the other side, and we'll be right back with you. You don't need to watch twice unless you just rewind it and watch this side again. Did you not get the bug? Both hand was getting the bug. and I'm stuck behind the tripod. Alright, I just wanted to show you one last time in the darkness, because it don't get dark to 9 o'clock now, that's what it looks like at night. Yeah, that's gonna go pretty good, ain't you? Don't you think so? I like it. What's it look like when you... Ooh, that's bright. She should have plenty of lights now. At least in the middle. We're still working on the middle. We ain't got to the rear yet. When we do the trunk lid. How you turn these blinkers on? There you go. There's your blinkers. Looks good to me. Other side works too. You just can't see them because it's on the other side. I'm being funny. Alright then. And then when you got to cut your blinkers off before you cut the thing off. There it goes. Boop, right back. Oh, because it's done timed out. To turn it on. You got to, no. You got to start it. Hit the mode. Start. See, remember, we still got the fog light, or driving light, LED bar. So I thought those would stay on, but I guess they don't. Well, she don't cut that off yet. How about that? Well, I can see where I'm going. I got a hurry. Oh, I still got another light on over here. Because I got plenty of light in the old shed. Yep. Alrighty. Well, there you have it, folks. I got these packed up, sitting about to somebody. That's about all we got. It's hot. It was pretty easy to do. The hardest part was zip tied all the wire back up and everything, getting it tucked away neat. The left side, we don't do nothing on the left. The bad side, the left side, the left, to the left. Oh, sorry, my brain. There's a plastic covered skid plate that I had to pull them little pins, snap pin deals out so I could run the wire along the frame and zip tie it. So that's pretty much the hardest part, was zip tying and cleaning it up, making it look pretty. But plug and play if you already got the kit, you know, and I'd surprise you if you always going to add lights. So go ahead and buy the accessory kit and wire it in first when you do your the fender lights. Makes it a whole lot easier, then you ain't got to go back step. But then I can plug, I guess, 4 more lights up to that kit, or 2 more, I think. The back of the A-arm lights, which I don't think I'm going to add, and then the passenger floorboard lights, it looks like those on them. But it's I probably want to add them. I might, I don't know. Anyway, go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and I don't know what we'll do next.